Alright, I thought I'd take a video of my first step out the front door this morning. Never seen this much snow in my life. I was out and made a little video last night. Now I want to get a shot of this going out the front door first thing in the morning. Look at this snow. Come on, door, open. Yeah, those bushes are normally tall. Right now they're completely covered with snow. The drifts go all the way up over the bushes. Oh, the plows have actually been out though. They plowed the roads. That's a lot of snow. Holy cow. I'll have to go out and make a video driving. See what I can see. Maybe I'll go over and see the kids. See what they think of this snow. Cool.